Lay down and tell me what's on your mind. Tell me what did he do this time to make you cry this time? Well, I will be a comfort. I will make it right, and I will bring back your life. Today, I see it's hurt you again. When you're in pain, I'm in pain. It's part of being a friend. But this is a special case. I have my feelings back because of him. I made a big, big, big mistake. I don't mean to disregard your feelings, but I think that he's a fool. You'll all know what sensitive you are, and baby, that just ain't cool. I'm just glad I can be there for you when you need a helping hand. Deep inside my heart from the start, I know I should have been a man. Ooh, and tell me what's on your mind. Tell me what did he do to make you cry this time?